Hello everyone, so I wanted to come on here real quick and do a lipstick video. I actually just filmed a review on the brand new Morphe 34G palette that is coming out on January 16th. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely head over and check that out. I'll link it up here as well as down below in the description box. But I wanted to do this video because I got sent these products from Mented Cosmetics like a long time ago, like last year, and I'm actually a little bit embarrassed because I genuinely wanted to do a review on these and I just have not gotten around to doing it, and so I decided that why not do it when I'm sick and nasally and you can't really hear what I'm saying. But you know what, better late than never. So I have used some of these before, so I'm going to try all of the lipsticks on and tell you a little bit about the brand as well. One of the things that I love about the brand is that it's a black owned brand and the entire product line is catered towards deeper, darker skin tones, and it's about finding the perfect shade of nude for darker complexions, which is amazing because I feel like so often we get a little bit shortchanged when it comes to color ranges for deeper, darker skin tones. Now each lipstick retails for $16.50, which initially I was like, oh, you know what, this feels like a little bit pricey, but it is an indie brand, and if I look at any other liquid lipstick that I would buy, that I actually really like, they're anywhere between $16 to $20 something, $25, $30. So I think that this is actually a very good price, and especially for what you're getting. And honestly, like, if you find a lipstick and a nude shade that suits your complexion, it's worth paying the price for it. So this is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to try all the lipstick shades on and then we'll round everything up at the end and you let me know which one is your favorite color. The packaging is actually really nice, really sleek, and will look really good in your makeup collection or just like on your shelf or wherever it is that you display your makeup. The first shade that I'm going to try out is called Foxy Brown. I'm actually not going to use a lip liner with any of these because I do feel like if your shade is like, if you find the perfect shade for your complexion, you shouldn't need a lip liner. I like the look of a lip liner, but I want to see how these look just directly onto my lips. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you have a better view. So I'm going to try Foxy Brown on first. That I'm testing is called Mented number 5. Next, I'm trying out the color Gove. So creamy. These feel really, really good. So the next color I'm going to apply is called Pretty in Pink. So next up is Nude La La. Oh my gosh. This is the one. This is my favorite. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And lastly, we have the color Dark Night. now that I've lined my lip, I overlined it a little bit in the center, not because I want bigger lips, just because I don't want that perimeter to be like the thing that you concentrate on when you look at lips. And so I'm going to go in with two colors. First, I'm using Foxy Brown. This is really nice. And then just to brighten it up in the center, I'm going to go in with the shade Nude La La. And there you have it, a kind of perfect everyday neutral nude lipstick. So let me know what you think about this video. If you think these are the perfect nude shades for deeper, darker skin tones, I think they are phenomenal. If there was ever like a line that I could point to and be like, you know what, you're gonna find your lip shade here, this is it. So I'm very impressed and I'm very proud that somebody is actually doing this. I wish I would have thought of it. Just some final thoughts on the product. I do want to point out to you that I know that this is kind of catered towards dark skinned women, but it doesn't mean that you can only wear this lipstick if you are a deeper, darker complexion. If you're olive toned as well, it's great, but it covers the range. I think they were just very intentional about making sure that there was a nude shade for our complexion, but it doesn't mean that anybody can't wear these lipsticks. A couple of things that I just read on the website as well is that all the lipsticks are vegan, they're paraben free, non-toxic, cruelty-free, proudly made in the USA, which actually also explains the price of it being $16.50, especially if you're not doing these like ginormous orders. And sometimes for like smaller brands or indie brands, it is a little bit difficult to get your price down because of the minimums and the order quantity that you usually have to get like a really good price. So I think $16.50 is pretty good. And just on the Our Story page on mentedcosmetics.com, it says it was created by two women, KJ Miller and Amanda E. Johnson. And just a little description I want to read to you because I think this is very important. It says, one night over a glass of Pinot, we sat down and asked ourselves why it's so hard to find the perfect nude lipstick. That conversation sparked an idea, and that idea became the brand we're building today. We created Mented Cosmetics because we believe every woman should be able to find herself in the world of beauty. Amen to that. We know you'll love being put first because when it comes to beauty, no one deserves to be an afterthought. I'm so unapologetic about how incredible these shades are, and I can't believe this has been sitting with me for so long and I haven't made this video. I think the only thing I have to apologize about is that it took me so long to let you guys know about it. I want to do some swatches as well just so you can see, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I am going to post it on Instagram, so make sure that you're following me on Instagram if you want to see these swatches of these lipsticks. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support. You guys have been absolutely incredible, and it's been a wonderful start to 2018. See you tomorrow in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and all the things and everything. God bless you, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter, even when you're sick. Love you. Bye.